Hi everyone, today we will understand Amazon CloudFront. What are exactly CloudFront? CloudFront is a delivery content at a light speed. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network CDN offering by Amazon Web Services, enabling business to developers to distribute content with a low latency and high transfer speed. What are the features for this CloudFront? List of the features will be there. Low latency, high transfer speed, and global network edge locations, and DDoS protection, and SSL TLS security, and easy to integrate with other AWS services like S3, like the cybersecurity you can use. You can integrate this. We can look into this. How we can integrate with the S3 bucket with the CloudFront. Uh, how the AWS CloudFront works? Amazon CloudFront works by the catching the content at the edge location around the world. When user requests the content, CloudFront delivery from edge one location to closest users, they reduce the latency to improve the transformation speed. And use case of the CloudFront, list of use cases are there. Content delivery like a video streaming and website access like images and application acceleration like API, dynamic content and security, EDS protection, SSL, TS encryption. And pricing of this CloudFront, Amazon CloudFront pay for you go with a no up and fee for long-term commitment. The pricing is based on the amount of data transmission and the number of the requests made is for the pricing with the data transmission out of the internet and data transfer out of the AWS services and HTTP and HTTPS request. And now we'll go. Now we will do the work practical. I will show this. How we can start. You need to create a AWS account and set up an CloudFront distribution and create a configuration like a S3 and EC2 instance, and you can configure the caching behavior and security settings and test and deploy. And conclusion for this description of the Amazon CloudFront is a powerful CDN. This can play business and deliveries and content and fast and more secure. Within this global network edge location and pay-you-go pricing is a cost-effective solution for the wide range of use cases. I will put this PPT in the video description. You can go through. And now I'm logging with my AWS account. I'm already logging with my AWS account. Now what we can do, first we have to create one S3 bucket. Better I will go with example. First you need to understand, actually it is an Amazon website. Actually the data will be there in India. The data will be saved on the S3 bucket in India. And the data, suppose the user want to connect it this, connect this images, maybe the user is in any of country, US or UK or Malaysia. Once the user is clicked, the data will be, actual data will be coming to the India to USA and EST to Dubai CDN enabled services, and we will get VGD. And suppose they can try to connect with any of other location as well, the data will be coming to the CDN enabled location only. And what is the integration part? Actually, we are doing the practical hands-on in this. First, we are connect with the users, and first we have to connect with the first we have to integrate the AWS CloudFront. First, we have to create AWS CloudFront, and next we have to integrate with the AWS S3 bucket with the static content. I'm using my JPG images and PPT. I will show you how we can do that. Let's go to the practical. I'm already created. I'm just already open with my AWS account. And first we have to go to the CloudFront. I'm just creating the CloudFront distribution account. Before that, first you need to create one S3 bucket. It's better. I already created S3 bucket. In the S3 bucket, I uploaded some files. These are the two files. And first you need to open this. Open this URLs will be working or not. First you need to check the URL. Just copying. Open with URLs. Just I'm copying. Yeah, I can able to access my content. And next, Next file as well. Yeah, I can able to accessing my content. Okay. First, I need to note this URLs better for understanding. So, and next one, this is also, I'm just noting. We got a noted. Okay. First, we need to create a first you have to go this, click the CloudFront. I already open. But you have to create a CloudFront. Okay. And what I'm to do, I'm just choosing my primary bucket where I created this primary project primary PR 2023. I'm selecting. Okay, my data with there. I'm just going with my default setting. I'm not doing any changes. And first, I'm using the public. I'm not giving enabling any service in any settings. And I'm just enabling by default HTTP and HTTP services. And coming to the caching, we can recommend latency caching. I'm not changing any by default setting. I want to integrate this edge. I'm integrating with the North American Europe only because it will, if you are selecting any other options, it will take more time to deploying the CDN. Just I'm selecting for the only for North American 2 edges locations. I'm just trying to create. I'm just selecting by default options, just create distribution. Yeah, successfully create a new distribution. Just go to click deployment in progress. Just here see. Just will take a few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, or maybe it will just take 5 minutes. I'm just clicking. After that, just copy this URL. Sorry, copy this URL and come in this. I will show you how we can check this image CloudFront. And by lastly, you can just copy this here. Okay, I'm just giving. Once the service is up and running, we can check how it will be work. Actually, by default, we are trying to connect. It will be working. Here, see that PPT content and everything we are able to see, and the configuration setup also we can able to see. Just I'm connecting with the S3 bracket. I am connecting with S3 bracket. Like I will show you. We directly connect with the actual images. Now we are integrating with a different location. How the accessing will be happen. I think deployment in progress. Just wait for few minutes, few seconds. Otherwise, we need to go and check. Just try to click this one. I'm just connecting. Yeah, it's got. Here you can see the data was distributed with the CloudFront. Suppose if you want to access any country people, you can able to access easily very fastly. Otherwise, it will take more time. I will check another image as well. It will be better. I'm selecting this one. Copy this and you can paste here. Yeah, this image also we can able to get. I'm accessing my image via CloudFront. Okay. Once practical completed, you can destroy your resources from the AWS. It will be best practice because it once maybe it will be you forgot. It will take weird bullying issue before you proceeding for the practical. I will put it all the documents like JPG images and PPT and Git repository video description and go through. Thank you, everyone.